Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can see hidden files and folders on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So there are some files and there are some folders that are hidden, which are not visibly shown here. Let's see how we can see this. And when we enable this setting, we will be able to see all the hidden files and folders, not just in this folder, but in any folder throughout our system. So first, click on this view here, scroll down, and here you'll see the show message. And now inside the show, you can see this hidden items. So if I click on this, as you can see, two of the files and folders will be shown here. And to make sure that they were already hidden, the icon that they have is a bit faded. So if I go extra large icons, this is a bit more noticeable. So this is the normal icon. Okay, this is the normal icon. As you can see, it is a bit more bright, and this is a bit more dark. So this is a hidden file and this is not hidden files. Again, this is a hidden folder. So again, to make these files and folders hidden, go to view, go to show, and then click on this hidden items again, and they will be hidden. So this is how you can show hidden files and folders on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.